Cześć, my name is Karina and I run pierogi cooking workshop in Cracow. I teach people how to make this traditional Polish meal from the scratch. We make both dough and filling, and it's always so much fun for people, and it's fun for me to watch them because there's a special kind of energy when people do something for the first time. And I do my classes in my private apartment in Kazimierz, famous Jewish district, and at the class also share stories with people about my building because it has very interesting story, my neighborhood and my city. Food is a great way to tell the story about the country because it's been with people forever through the whole history, so it carries a lot of interesting facts. And during the pierogi making and later at the dinner when we eat pierogi together, I talk with my guests about politics, economy, history, beliefs, customs, current situation in Poland. So it's a great way to start a conversation about the country. And the table is also a very magical object that brings people together, and people usually enter my class as strangers and they leave as friends. I also created ebook, Travel to Poland from Your Kitchen. I choose my favorite Polish recipes for the ebook, but I also added the stories about Poland. So if you read it, you feel like you travel to my country without leaving your house. And I make pierogi online classes now, so if you want to try how to make this traditional Polish meal, you can find the link in the description. And this is also where you will find my ebook. I love my city, I love telling people about Cracow, and I'm working now on a guide about Cracow, but in the meantime I post a lot of recommendations on what to do in the city, where to eat, where to have fun, so you can find it on my Instagram, Cracow Girl. Hope to see you guys in Cracow. You are invited to my apartment where we will do pierogi together and talk more about Poland. Pa pa!